In this video, we are going to focus on surface area of cylinders. A cylinder consists of three parts: a curved surface, a circular top, and circular bottom. In the bottom corner here, I have actually pulled that diagram apart. So this is the curved surface in the middle, and it is a rectangle, but I have left it curved just to replicate this diagram here, and the top circle and the bottom circle. So essentially it's two circles and a rectangle. However, you don't calculate the area of the rectangular part the same way you would do as a normal rectangle. Because it's dealing with a circle, essentially this is wrapped around the circle. It's 2 pi r times height, and the area of a circle is standard area. There's no change to that. Let's take a look at this question here. It says, find the surface area of a cylinder correct to 1 decimal point. Well, I've been given a cylinder here with a height of 10 centimeters and a diameter of 8. Now I know based on my rules here, I'm going to need a radius. So I'm going to find the radius before I even start. So the radius goes halfway and the diameter goes all the way through the circle. So I'm going to half that. 8 divided by 2, radius equals 4 centimeters. Now I'm going to calculate the surface area of this cylinder. So SA, so surface area equals, and I'm going to focus on the two circles first. I've got two circles, and the rule for area of a circle is pi r squared. So 2 lots of pi r squared plus this curved section here, which is 2 pi r times height. My second line is going to be my substitution, where I put the values in. So I'm going to replace the r for radius and the h for height. We leave the pi button in there, the pi symbol I should say. We're going to use the pi button on our calculator. We're not going to calculate that separately. So 2 times pi times the radius is 4, and that's squared, plus 2 times pi times the radius of 4 times the height of 10. Working down, I'm now going to calculate that one there and this one here and add them together. Bearing in mind that when we calculate this pi button is going to give us an enormously long decimal number. We must write the full decimals out and round at the end. So if I punch this in my calculator, I go 2 times pi button times 4 and the squared button, which is the x2 button. And when I do that, I get 100.5309,649, and I add it to this one here, 2 times pi button times 4 times 10, and I get 251.3274123. Now I'm going to add those up. Again, I keep working down the page. When I add these two numbers together, I get 351.8583772. Now it did tell me that I have to round to 1 decimal place, so I'm going to put my line between the first and second decimal place and underline the looking number. The looking number is 5. That means it's not between 0 and 4, it sits between 5 to 9, and that tells me this rounding number must go up. So surface area equals 351.9, and it's centimetres, and because it's area, it is squared.